Hi, my name is Antony from Ghana. I would like to share the journey of my life in Muqarram. I joined the company as a labor. That was 2022. Now I've been promoted to supervisor in the warehouse. Muqarram is a lovely company and very supportive. That there are many opportunities here. I'm here to grow. I know I've been working for some years now, but that's not the end. I would like to grow more and learn more. I would like to say my family also are very happy, and for the growing of the company now, I can support my family, let me say in financial way, which is helping me a lot. And for the love of the people I'm working with, and for their supportive, I'm doing well. I would like to share my appreciation and the gratitude to all the workers and the HODs here in Muqarram.